take the wedge out. Well, leave it out. Still might need it. Now let's do this side. It's probably what a lot of y'all have been waiting on, since this is the electric start version. I'm going to take some lube, put right there for the transfer gear. Got gaskets. Set y'all over here out of the damn way. Cam chain tensors, or time chain guides. Now there's a little, this thing. First we need a timing chain. Got us a timing chain. Got a brand new OEM timing chain. We're going to put just loop it over the side like that. Now we got to put this guide on. Let's share a little bit of that. I'm going to take, this one goes like that. That goes like that, and then it cups underneath. Well, let me back up. Goes down and cups underneath the cam chain. Sits right there like so. This is the screw, I do believe, that goes to it. Let me put some Loctite on it. And did anybody else see what I did wrong? I like to make a boo-boo. Too busy looking at what's in my hand and not looking at what I'm actually messing with. Put the damn guides in backwards. Turn it around. Sorry if any of y'all actually did that. Hopefully you watched the video and didn't did it. There. just to be safe, I'm going to put a little bit more Loctite. And that's that. Now we got to install the, make sure that thing right there is tight. The motor's just going all kind of places. Stay right there. We're going to install the counterbalance, the other part of it. And it's got a groove where it only fits one way. Now if I can just remember, it goes like this, I'm pretty sure. Oh, there we go. Now there's this other spring washer. Had me so baffled a while ago. And then there's this. We're going to put a little Loctite on it. And we're probably going to need our wedge again. Normally not this messy. But I'm just tired and I want to get this thing done. So let's put this in here. There. I like to set them with that. I like to set them with that thing. Come back and torque them. I had one time I put on to torque specs and it came loose. It's like 34 foot-pounds. I do believe. I'm probably wrong about that. What the hell is going on here? I bet that sucker's like 28 foot-pounds. Now might be a good time to look. It's 27 foot-pounds, and I torqued it to like 30 foot-pounds, so we're good. It's It's not always good to torque stuff a little bit more, but I'm convinced on this things they're actually worth it. There. Now we got the starter transfer gear, this thing. Goes there. I'm missing like the whole stator cover side of this engine. I guess the customer still got it. Alright, we can still install main starter clutch assembly. We have the this is the starter clutch gear. I guess this is going to tell me if I got that gear right there on right or not. We're about to find out. I'm going to take it off. That goes on there like so. Well, yep, and that goes like that. Then we gotta wipe off this excess on here with all this oil or grease. Find our. Now I've already installed the starter clutch and Loctite and torqued all of them, so we're good there. We believe the previous person who just took it apart thought that you had to take them screws out to get it to come out. Now we're going to take, you want your flywheel key, stick it in the slot, have it slanted upwards like this. Don't do it level with the crankshaft, because when you put the crank on, you want it to set level. You don't want it to kick out the back and give you problems. You're going to spin that like it's probably giving me problems. There we go. Just spin that gear and it'll go right on there for you. Then you get that one right there. Gonna put some, still got some lube, and put some Loctite on that too. And that's a 17. 37 foot-pounds, I believe is what that was. So let's get our wrench, torque wrench. $37. There. Hell, I don't even have the stuff that goes right there. I got this though. Put a little assembly lube around the seal. Stick it in. That's the oil screener that goes in the bottom of the motor, in case you're wondering what the hell I was doing. That goes there, and then there's a screw with a washer on it somewhere. There it is, hiding from me. Or a bolt with a washer, I'm sorry. Get it right in a minute. It's a 10mm. There's that. Take that out. All right.